It's all chunked up.
It's all chunked up?
Yeah.
Well, there's still a lot there.
But you can chunk all these and these. You can chunk my corn.
You want some more pasta?
Like I'm getting corn. Corn is for dinner.
Okay.
Yeah, when we eat it. But over there's my candy. It's not for dinner.
It's for dessert, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, get the butter. Ow.
Good? See that?
Is it chunked up?
Huh. It's chunked up too. Where's Buford? He needs to get that corn piece.
I'll send him over.
Buford! No, I gave him a piece. Down there.
Right there?
He chose pieces. Right there's the corn piece, Buford. There. Right there. There's the corn piece.
Maybe he doesn't like corn, does he?
Yeah, he likes corn.
Oh.
I guess he doesn't see it. I'd like to get another corn for me and then...
Hey, wait a minute. There's a whole bunch here.
Oh.
Right there.
You have to eat it on all sides, Lukey, just not just one side. You eat it on all the sides. It's all still there. It's good. You can put some butter on it. And you can put some salt on it if you want to.
I don't like salt.
Okay.
No, I don't want you to take a picture of me. I said stop.